I'm here at 92 Lucas Drive, Lamb Island, Queensland, Australia. This is a 4-bedroom house, brick and tile, very solid. We're quite central on Lamb Island here. It is a corner block, 607 square metres on the corner of Lucas Drive, which is this street here, and Halcyon Street. There goes the lamb van, and let's take a look inside. It's very private from the street and fully fenced. Has a large carport. Coming inside to the living area, there is a fairly new air conditioning unit, separate dining area, kitchen, so we have 4 bedrooms. 1 bedroom here does have the built-in robe. We come down this hallway to the laundry, which has the door outside from the laundry. There is a separate toilet, small bathroom, which has the bath and the shower over the bath. And here we have the 3 other bedrooms. Built in. This one also has the Foxtel plug. This would make a great investment. Low maintenance, solid, and 4 bedrooms, which is quite rare on the islands to have 4 bedrooms. We'll take a look outside. The yard is 607 metres squared. It is very private from the street and fenced. There is a slab here, the washing line. I think that's where a water tank did sit one time. And carport here. Little patio area covered. So if you'd like to arrange a private inspection, feel free to contact me. I'm a local agent. I live on the island. I'm happy to show you through. and pick you up from the jetty. Look forward to hearing from you.